you have seen in the beginning, it will be about BIOS unlock and how to fix HP Endpoint Security Controller Problem when that occurs to you when dealing with the new HPs, especially when dealing with BIOS issues on those HPs. So this problem in fact is common, and if you just do search over the internet, you will find that it's a common issue. Let's just do it right now. So let's do it. HP endpoint, yes, like this, enter. So problem with the endpoint security controller reported on here. Let's check this one. Hello, the netbook reports at each boot there's a problem with the endpoint security. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. I am a bit sick, so I'm so sorry. So the notebook reports at each boot there's a problem with the endpoint security controller on the device. Please ask HP for the materials. So this was translated from German, yes. Anyway, this is how it looks. Let's do this. Let's go to image. This is how it looks. So the screen that you may see looks like this. So endpoint security controller problem, and it says this: there's a problem with the HP endpoint security controller on the unit. Please contact HP to have the unit supervised. So the question which may follow now is that what causes this issue. So to my experience, this issue may occur when dealing with BIOS unlock or when doing a BIOS update on those new HPs. So like what happens in the case which we will see on this video, and in fact this case has been dealt with on 22 December last year, as you can see here, and it's from a friend in his server, and he got in fact machine 840 J6 with the BIOS password, and they said here he has successfully removed the password, but he ends up with that new issue, which is the endpoint security controller problem. So let's just see together our conversation here in this private messages. So, hi man, do you have a clear BIOS password reference for 840G6? I did a successful removal, but now HP endpoint security controller problem occurs. Okay. Hi. Sorry bro, I was out of office earlier, that's why I didn't answer you. Can you give me the original dump, or have you fixed that? Okay, that's okay mate. Unfortunately no, I have the original BIOS, but the SC ROM is now bloody lost. So what he means by SC ROM? Simply in these new HPs there are two BIOS chips. One is for the BIOS image, and the other one, which is usually smaller than the other one, is for the SC file or firmware. So what's next? I said to him, and sure, I am applying a patch. If not work, I apply a fresh BIOS, and he say that was never pass locked. Okay, so and that's the problem. In these HPs, you don't have to use other files that have been already worked in another board. You will end up with a lot of problems. So better to build another files using the executable file which you can download from the HP support. Okay, I said to him, give me the original dump, I will build a new file serial number also. So I have asked him for the original dump. Okay, bear with me, I will grab the 32 megabyte, just flashing the BIOS. Here is flashing the BIOS on that time. Can you build without original EEPROM? No, original LC-ROM. I asked him about the sizes. The BIOS is 32 gigabyte. The SC-ROM is separate at 60 megabyte. So in this case, we can easily build two files using our super tool LBE++. So in this case, as I said here, in this case I can even build you the OC2. I just need the original BIOS dump and serial number. So in fact I don't need to ask about serial number when it's about HP, but I do that just in case I didn't manage to extract it using LBE++, because LBE++ can just extract all the daemon info for your HP BIOS files. So okay, bear with me and I'll get the info you want. The BIOS serial, or of the case they don't match. Okay, in fact I was asking for the serial number of the machine, not of the BIOS. So and there he gives his original BIOS file, and as you can see there, this post was edited because what I did now, I don't know. Let's just close this. Sorry. So in this post he linked the original dump or the original BIOS file, and as you can see here, as I said, this post has been edited because it was containing the serial number, and our friend here doesn't wish the serial number to be shown in this video. And I said here I can find the serial number in the dump myself, but just in case something went wrong. Okay, so we'll use LBE. Let's fire it to do this case. In fact, has been already done, but let's do it together in this video, and I hope you will learn something new in this video. So just to summary what's wrong with this case. In first place, it was simply a BIOS password. So our friend has tried another file and the BIOS password has been removed, yes, but he ended up with sorry guys, but he ended up with another issue, which is the HP Endpoint Controller Problem, Security Controller Problem. So what can we do in this case? So using LBE, we just can build new files for our machine, and the password will go, and we won't have any other issue with the machine. So how can we do that? We go to HP Super Editor, and here we will need the executable file. As you can see here, select file exe or binary format. So binary format when you have the file extracted from executable, not the original. This doesn't mean the original BIOS of your machine. So let's download the executable file, and in this case we won't use the serial number. We will just use the exact model of the machine, which is here, this one. Let's copy. So before even doing that, let's download the original BIOS file. Sorry guys, I am a bit sick, sorry. So let's download the original file. Let's put it on desktop, BIOS fixing, and whereas a new folder with the name of our brand. Open and save. Okay, let's show it in the folder. Here we have our file. Now let's go here and let's paste HP or 840 G6 and followed by BIOS like this. Hit enter on your keyboard and open the first result. Choose the operating system here. Let's choose 11, 10, it doesn't matter. You choose what's available. Let's wait and go to all drivers and here to BIOS and download your executable file. No thanks here, and let's wait and let's put it in the same folder but in another subfolder, which we will put this name exe. Open, save. So now we go back to our LBE, and here in HP Super Editor we go to open file here and we select the executable file, of course, like this, and pay attention to here. So as you can see here, we already have in the background some blocks and the BIOS region and the main region extracted and saved in the memory for our to be ready for our model. And if we go to the working folder here, so the working folder here exe, as you can see here, we have this folder which was generated by the tool LBE++, which contains this file with 30 megabyte in terms of size. And if ever you need the other files, you just push extract all like this and you will get all the files there which you will need to mod your BIOS file. Okay, in our case we will do that automatically. So we go to fix and remove self-healing here and we select the original BIOS file here, and we select the original BIOS file, which is this one, G6 which we have downloaded earlier. We select it, open. So, and we know the sizes which we need in our case. We need 32 and 16. 32 megabyte for the main BIOS and 16 megabyte for the SC ROM. So what we need to do in LBE, we have to check this box here, show advanced options here, and you will get this new box which has this. Select your BIOS size, so either 32 or 32 plus 16 megabyte or 16 megabyte plus 8 megabyte or 16 megabyte plus 16 megabyte. And in the next I hope we can do that. In the next update we will have the option of 30 megabyte plus 32 megabyte. I hope that will be available in the next update of our LBE++, but anyway, if not, it will be on the other one, on the next one. So here we have to choose our case, which is 32 plus 16, and we hit OK. So before doing that, let's open here, let's go to the main working folder here, and now you just push this button here. Okay, as you can see here, you have success, and you already have your files here on your main working folder, and you simply need to flash both chips with these files, and you will get your machine working again without any issue, without any password. And yes, here we didn't fix the daemon info, but in fact that can be fixed using HP tools, which is available in the internet, or which you can download from my Telegram group, this one here. So you go to, sorry, let's close this, you go to my Telegram group's error support here, and you have those these ones. So exactly, yes, you have the all in one HP daemon tool free download. Here we have nearly all the versions. I have gathered all the versions there. Or if you are an LBE++ user, you can use the LBE++ to fix that. So you go to, sorry, let's close this. You go to HP daemon data, you open your file here. So I won't do that here because the serial number will be shown here. So you just open your file here, your original file, which is this one. You open it here, and you will get all the informations, and you just print the daemon here. When you print the daemon here, you will get all the informations, and then you can fix that using either here write daemon to file, you use LBE++, or you use the appropriate daemon fit tool for your machine. This is how you can fix BIOS issues of these new generations of HP using LBE++, in which you have to use HP Super Editor, which is in fact super function in our tool here, and you choose this advanced options from which you have to choose the appropriate option of your machine. And if ever you need to fix the daemon information on the if you have, for example, 60 megabytes, so here you can use this option to fix the daemon when it's on the OC. So when it's about 60 megabyte OC file. If you have the daemon info on the OC and not on the main BIOS, you can use this option here. So you open the original file here, and you open this factory file here, and you push process, and you will get the daemon info copied from the original file to the factory one, which you will use with your machine. In summary, this tool is really a very good tool which every technician should have among his tools. So you can do whatever you want with this tool, and in the upcoming versions there will be a lot of other functions which are not yet available anywhere, and in fact it's not that expensive tool, especially if you will make money with it. So if you got lot of BIOS issues in your shop, this is the tool which I recommend you to get. You won't regret that for sure. And you can just try the basic label. So as there's labels, and each label has its price, you can opt for the basic label, which is not that expensive, and then you will notice that this tool in fact worth to be acquired. And that's it. I hope you have learned something new in this video, and if any question, as usual, you can ask in the comments of the video. But before leaving, let's download the files which I have given our friend to fix his machine. And anyway, if you're wondering if this case was successfully fixed or not, yes. So as our friend here says there, a message gone, how do I exit npm? So he got this message, this one, after using my files. I got this one, and this message which says system is booting in manufacturing program mode is simply about the DMA. So he can fix that using DMA. So as he said here, I need to use Bios configurability. Yes, that's what he need in fact. And he's trying to pay me here, but as it's the first time I did that for him, and more than that, he's a friend, so I can't accept that. That's it. We came to the end of the video, but before leaving, let's download these files and compare them with the files which we have done right now. So let's put there. In fact, it's a RAR file or a zip file which we need to unzip here. Here it is, and we have is exactly the same files, but let's compare them. Before doing that, let's rename them to avoid any confusion. Let's rename them 16 megabyte for this one, and for this one let's use 32 megabyte like this. Let's open the 16 megabyte. Let's go, here it is. It was opened in the second screen. Let's go back and open this one. So this file is the one that we just have done in this video. Let's open it beside this other one, and let's analyze. So we got this on this other screen. Okay, they are identical. Let's check for the 30 megabyte ones. So let's open this one and then go to here and open the 30 megabyte one here, and let's compare. Okay, they are identical, and you have seen that these files have fixed our issue and no longer HP Endpoint Security Controller Problem shows on our machine, and the password, and that's it for DMA info. It's simple thing to fix. If you have LBE++, you can fix that before even applying the files to your board. That's it. Now we came to the end of our video. I hope you have learned something new, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.